Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna test my car.
Go on. Are we taking it down?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, go on. Slowly, yeah? I wanna get it right up on the rig.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go on, bring it up. We're in the hill, I'm telling you, like we're in the hill, man. He's gonna bring this thing down. He's bringing that down. You see that cliff? You see, this is a cliff. He's gonna bring that down. Bring it down and bring it down.
Stopped.
You kidding?
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Are you gonna turn it off and turn it down? Looks like the truck got stuck, man. It's on? Battery thing don't last. Oh, it's back, it's back. Come on, faster.
Again?
For real? It's gone?
Why don't play?
You dropped the bomb, man. Dropped it, man. Oh, but look, this thing still. Leave it on Nesta, that's the issue. Let's give it a push.
Oh
Battery's dead, man. Dead battery again, yeah? Look, you're just gonna give it a big push. Look, it's gonna go all the way down there. Just give it a push. Battery, man. Kick it. Woo! Whoa! Jeez, we getting down?
yeah.
Be careful, yeah. You go down here slowly, yeah.
Going down.
Yeah, slowly. Oh, you run, yeah? Run down, run down, run down. Faster. Happy though. Run, run. Run, 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 run. Watch out for the car. Jeez, man. Woo. Yester, look, the battery is dead, man. Two couples there. Don't kick it yet, Yester. It's not kicking. Listen. These batteries don't last, so we gotta go back and recharge this thing. We're gonna reboot it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Sir? So we out, yeah, we outside, man. Champ, man. Let's go, man. Bang.